Before I start, let me be honest with you guys. No sugarcoating, no pretending, no trust me, bro. I'm about to tell you exactly what happened. And if you've traded with them before, nothing here will surprise you. In fact, you might even start nodding like, finally somebody said it. So I started trading with them without stress at first. Smooth like butter. They came into the market fast in 2023, grew even faster because their prices were extremely cheap, throwing 50% discounts as if they were Father Christmas. And of course, traders rushed in thinking this is the future. I thought so too, until reality slapped me and I had to open my eyes. Let's rewind back to January 20th, 2025. That was the first time I personally experienced their MT5 issue. Traders were stuck for nearly a week waiting for them to fix it. But guess what? That wasn't even the first time it happened.
It was just the first time it happened to me.
Fast forward to May 28th, 2025, boom, it happened again. But this time, it didn't last 1 week. It lasted over a month.
1 whole month.
At this point, I started feeling like an abandoned houseplant waiting for water.
This was when they started dropping fake promises like a politician in campaign season. They announced that every trader who had an account before the downtime would receive an extra account as compensation once they came back online. And the reason for the long downtime? They said they didn't have their own MT5 license and were trying to get one.
Sounds reasonable. Until the story starts doing backflips.
To keep traders calm, they left their Discord chat open so we could talk and ask questions, because if they'd closed it, everybody would have assumed they ran away with the bag. And every morning, I woke up with the same question: when am I going to trade again? After more than a month, their MT5 finally came back. Traders were excited, but the promised compensation? Nowhere to be found. Instead, they suddenly created a new excuse. We're planning to build a new dashboard before fulfilling our promise. A new dashboard? Bro, who on earth delays compensation because of a dashboard update? That's like telling someone, I'll pay you your salary, but let me repaint my office first. At this point, I realized something wasn't adding up. Transparency was gone. Explanations, zero. Logic, also zero. And I started digging deep. According to many daily reports and trader experiences, Nostro has a very strict daily loss limit, stricter than most competitors. Meaning even a tiny drawdown can disqualify your challenge. Many traders trading with them don't even know this. Then the Trustpilot reviews started rolling in. Multiple one-star reviews saying payouts were denied. This is just for allegedly breaking a 2% risk rule, sometimes with no clear evidence. And remember, this company was launched in 2023. They're still young. Their track record is short. Some traders praised their support team, but others said they were blocked or ignored, especially during payout disputes. When their new dashboard finally launched, they still didn't fulfill the compensation promise. At this point, I started asking myself, are they scared of going broke? Or are they just allergic to keeping promises? Now, the scariest part? They no longer have a place on Discord where you can ask personal questions. Support is no longer active like before. The negative payout reviews keep increasing. If Nostro is really safe, why the fake promises? Why the silence? Why the disappearing support?
Oh, I've said what's in my mind. I've shared my experience. And honestly, we've seen this pattern many times in the prop firm world. The story starts nice, then begins to smell predictable. As a VDM in the prop firm space, I make it a point to speak out when I see warning signs of potential scams. The purpose of this video is to inform my viewers about what's really happening behind the scenes. And if Nostro happens to see this, perhaps it will serve as a starting point for them to reflect and make the necessary corrections. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next prop firm video. Stay informed, stay sharp, and please, don't let discount codes blind you again.